are driving during night time. Many times, due to a shock of slip to the driver, the car moving straight ahead starts going in some another direction of ours, and very often that the car collides with another vehicle, and due to which our life can also be in danger. So keeping this in mind, we make this project to minimize the accident due to this reason using eye-blink sensor. Great morning to all of you. This is ATL session from Rishikul Senior Secondary School, Kurana. This is Tanisha from class 8-3. This is GV and this is Janvi. We all are very happy to got a chance to perform this performance in front of you. We make this project anti-sleep alarm system for driver using eye-blink sensor. Let's discuss our project step by step.
Here first of all we discuss construction of our project. In our project we use Arduino UNO. Single channel relay model work on 5 volt buzzer, battery, DC motor connected with the wheel jumper wire. The brain of our project is Arduino UNO. The first thing of our project is eye-blink sensor which help to detect the movement of our eyelids, and the second thing of our project is DC motor connected with the wheel which help to indicate the motion of a vehicle, and the another thing of our project is relay model which act as a smart switch and help to on or off the position of a motor wheel. We generate a code and upload in Arduino UNO with the help of PC, and then we make the connection with the help of code using jumper wires, and then we make base model of our project with using cardboard. All the
Let's discuss about its working. This is a eye-blink sensor. It is also called IR sensor. It has two parts, transmitter and receiver. Transmitter continuously emits IR waves onto the eyes, while receiver continuously looking for the reflected waves which gives indications about that our eyes is blinked. When our eyes is closed, it gives us a high output, but when our eyes is open, it will give us a low output. So due to when our eyes is closed, the wheel stop rotating and give us an indication that our eyes is blinked. Here in our project, we also change the time period of our project. After 5 or 10 minutes, the wheel is stopped. Due to as soon as our eyes closed, the wheel stop rotating. We can also change its time period. After 5 or 10 seconds, the wheel is stopped. Let us discuss how it works. When I open my eyes, it starts rotating, but when I close my eyes, it stops.
At last but not the least, we thanks to our ATL teachers, Mr. Tilak sir and Mr. Ravinder sir to giving us the opportunity to come here and represent our Rishikul. We also request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also give your valuable comments. Thank you and have a nice day.